Moving on now to Ekiti State, where about 100 houses were submerged in Ekiti on Saturday as an early morning rainfall wreaked havoc along Afo Road in Ekiti State's capital. Now, the rainfall destroyed properties estimated at over 10 million naira as residents were seen struggling to drain water from their living rooms. The Afo Road was also flooded as residents struggled to access the state capital from Afao and Ekiti. Now, residents appealed to the state government to come to their rescue.
And what we discovered is that in this community we've tried a lot of effort. We've written to the government, even starting from the administration of His Excellency Dr. Fayoshi, and at the same time the incumbent governor.
We want the state government to help us because it's the second time. We want him to help us because we are experiencing difficult things. Even if you enter my room now, you will see my property have destroyed.
So about 100 houses in this community altogether were submerged with water. We are calling on the government to please come to our aid and rescue us.
How soon do you want government?
We want immediate action. Immediate action.
In his reaction, the chairman of Ekiti State Emergency Management Authority, Olajide Buruji, said the state government is working on creating a place for the displaced people.
We are here on site scene already, and we are profiling the households and the numbers of victims affected. I've sent to the deputy governor and chief of staff. Currently they are at Eporo, but right now we are trying to get a camp, a temporary camp for those people affected.